How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your HP printer printing blank pages. Now, there's multiple ways to do this. Let's get started. The first one is to check your ink and cartridges. Ensure that the ink levels are sufficient and replace any empty cartridge. Remove and reinsert cartridge to ensure that they are properly seated and that all the protective plastic tape has been removed. From there, we then want to clean the printheads using the software. So you want to use the HP Smart application or printer control panel tools to run the Clean Printhead or Clean Cartridges utility. You may need to run this for around 2 to 3 times. The third option is the manual cleaning. Remove the cartridges and gently clean the nozzle area on the bottom with a lint-free cloth dipped into a distilled water. Lastly, you want to soak your clogged cartridges. If the ink has dried, you want to soak the bottom of the cartridge in a shallow dish of warm distilled water for around 5 to 10 minutes. Then dry it thoroughly with a lint-free cloth. And some additional steps, you want to check your paper setting. Ensure that the paper loaded in the tray matches with the settings in the print dialog box. You then want to restart or reset, turn off the printer, unplug it for around 60 seconds, turn it back on, and lastly, you want to update your firmware. Check for and install any available firmware updates for your printer model. And so, after applying these steps, hopefully you have fixed the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.